new computer operating system, OS X Yosemite, attempts a seamless integration between your Mac and iPhone. But how much of that talk is true? Hey guys, what's up? My name is Payal and this is Pet My Hobby. So let's find out how successful is Apple. Being the first thing that gets noticed is the appearance, which signifies the consistency between iOS and OS X. The menu bar, dock and icons have changed to a more translucent look and appeal to couple with iOS 7. With OS X Yosemite, Apple introduced a new dark theme, which might comfort some eyes. But it didn't make a huge difference to me, though it blends in with a new notification center. Overhaul to iTunes is pleasant and more functional, as the menu is now center-aligned. Background of the album artwork looks vivid and colorful. Safari web browser carries the flow of the new design and now displays top sides as the icons just like on the iPhone and iPad. Hopping on to the performance, this is where the most anticipated feature comes into the picture: continuity and hands-off. Continuity allows you to make calls and send SMS as well as receive them via your Mac when your iPhone is also on the same Wi-Fi network. Besides, AirDrop now works across all Apple devices. Being said, continuity works well but need minor improvements. To make the integration even stronger, Apple took things to a whole new level with hands-off, which lets you pick up between apps no matter where you left off. Sadly, this feature is not working properly now. I am able to see a pop-up icon on my iPhone at times, but never on my Mac as of today. However, I'll be updating you as soon as hands-off starts working. iCloud Drive is another new but familiar feature which lets you store all kinds of files and documents on a cloud space, making content accessible from anywhere and everywhere via an internet connection, much like Dropbox, Google Drive and OneDrive, though it doesn't provide more than 5 GB. Spotlight search now proves to be more effective as it talks to the internet and claims to tell you about places. However, I am unable to find much. Notification Center makes more sense in OS X Yosemite and supports widgets. You might face little bugs and glitches here and there, but hopefully they will be fixed soon. In my opinion, Apple has been doing pretty well with their OS X software lineup, and so is the OS X Yosemite, at least in theory and on paper. But otherwise, I am a bit unhappy with so many bugs within the software that it feels like a beta version. Earlier, Apple had the nerve and was brave enough to hold the release until the product is ready for the public. And the issues are not only limited to whatever I have listed here, but also a couple of more. After a deep dive into testing, I found that the browser extensions aren't working properly and the startup time is now lengthy. As of today, I won't be recommending anyone switching to OS X Yosemite as a lot of work has to be done. But once fixed, it is absolutely the most advanced computer operating system. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe us on YouTube and follow us on Twitter. Until then, bye bye.